doing station 1 today. Parts of a parabola. A magical whiteboard appears. Let's start going on this. Hopefully y'all know how to do this very quickly. First thing up, we're going to graph this. Some things before we graph. This negative is going to flip it. It's going to open down in it, which means our range is going to be y less than or equal. This number right here will always be the y-intercept. That's something y'all need to remember. So let's go to our calculator and we're going to graph. Let's go to graph, and it's negative x squared. Negative x squared, and then I believe it's minus 2x plus 3. So minus 2x plus 3. Okay, so I have my parabola. Notice it opens down. If I hit menu 5 for graph trace, notice that my y-intercept is indeed at 0, 3. Remember, the most important point is the vertex. So we're going to go up and get to our vertex, and it's a maximum since it opens up, and it's at negative 1, 4. So I'm going to go to my paper, and I'm going to put negative 1, 4 here. And remember, that's a max. This negative 1, so let's put negative 1, 4 here. That negative 1 is going to be our axis of symmetry. And this 4 is not only a max, but it also goes to the range, doesn't it? Okay? That vertex tells you automatically that stuff. The vertex is negative 1, 4. It is a max, and the max is 4 in it. The axis of symmetry is going to be x equals negative 1. I could do that all before I start on this. Now then, let's do this. We're going to get the points above and below. The 0 was 3. The negative 2 was 3. And if we were to trace this, you would get 0 and 0 here, okay? Let's go through and graph this. So negative 3, 0, negative 2, 3, negative 1, 4, and we get this. This is what the parabola looks like, right? Our domain will always be all real numbers if it's graphed. The range is going to be y, and notice it's going to be less than or equal to 4 in it. The y-intercept is 3, and the zeros are 1 and negative 3, aren't they? Those are also called the solutions, aren't they? Got to get this parabola vocabulary down. It will be on a lot of tests. Remember, you are amazing, you are created to do wonderful things, and you are awesome.